Hi everybody, here is the video on the recording behavior activity for whole interval recording and time sampling. So in Blackboard Learn, you're going to see a video clip from the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. So open that up, and our behavior is anytime Carlton dances. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to work on practicing whole interval recording. So with whole interval recording, the behavior has to occur for the whole interval. If it stops at any time, you get a minus. So here's our video, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to play it, and I'm going to stop it and go through all the interval recording with you guys. So. Okay, so sorry, I'm a little late. That was the first interval. The behavior wasn't occurring, so we get a minus. So here's the second one. Okay, behavior did not occur throughout the whole interval, so you get a minus. And third one. Okay, so with this one, remember whole interval recording, it has to occur throughout the whole interval. So Carlton started dancing about 8 seconds into the interval, but we still put a minus because it didn't happen throughout the whole interval. Okay, so he's been dancing the whole interval, so we put a plus. Okay, so he's been dancing the whole interval, so we put a plus. All right, he's been dancing the whole time, so we put a plus. All right, so he was dancing at the beginning for the first couple seconds, but then he stopped. So it didn't occur throughout the whole interval, so we can put a minus. And then our last interval. And we can already tell he's not dancing for a couple seconds. And remember, it has to occur for the whole interval, so we already get a minus. Okay, so now we're going to look at the percentage. So how many intervals did the behavior occur? And we have 1, 2, 3. How many total intervals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're doing 3 divided by 8. And that gives us about 37.5%. So that's how you do whole interval recording. And now we're going to move on to time sampling. So I'm going to go back, and we still have a minute and 20 observation period divided into 10-second intervals. But with time sampling, we don't have to worry about anything until the end of the interval. So if he's dancing at the end of the interval, we put a plus. If not, we put a minus. So, all right. All right, he is not dancing or moving, so put a minus. All right, not dancing or moving, so put a minus. Okay, so he is dancing at the end of the interval, so we're going to put a plus. All right, he's dancing, so we'll put a plus. All right, he was dancing at the end of that one, so put a plus. All right, he's dancing at the end, so we can put a plus. He's not dancing at the end of that one. And we'll go to the end. And he's not dancing. So we'll put a minus. Okay, so now how many intervals in the behavior occur? We have 4. Total intervals, we still have 8. And now we're 4 divided by 8, and we're at 50%. So that's how you figure out whole interval recording and time sampling. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.